Do you know that so many people don't have an idea that football arbitrage truly exists? Yes. So in this video, I'll be walking you through a practical example of football arbitrage using NexusTrade. But before we start, put a disclaimer to this video. This video you are watching is strictly for educational purpose and is not a financial advice. So I encourage everyone watching this video to do your own researches thoroughly before investing in football arbitrage or crypto arbitrage because prices can change at any time. So let's get started immediately. So first, I make sure that my VIP is active so that I can be able to access the football arbitrage tools from this platform. And as you can see, this platform is called NexusTrade. It's a new platform which you can find on Play Store or any other place. That's the reason why you need to subscribe to this channel so you can know how to get to this platform. All right. So what I have to do, since I have successfully activated my VIP, as you can see right here, your VIP is active. So what I have to do is go back. As you can see, there's so many arbitrage you can find right here. Arbitrage is ranging from 0.05 to 100% of arbitrage opportunities. This is for crypto arbitrage, but we're not into crypto arbitrage right now. So it has not refreshed properly because my VIP just activated. So I have to click here. It's supposed to show, okay, VIP, because I have made payment already. So you can see place that says arbitrage. Then when you click on it, then you can see different arbitrages, because for now we are teaching about football arbitrage betting. So you click on the football arbitrage betting, then scroll a little bit. In my previous videos, I showed how to navigate to this page, then click on this and give it a little time to load. So because of this arbitrage is coming from the real IPs of the football, you can hear the sound to tell you that it's a dictated opportunity. All right, now you can see Arsenal versus Coventry, okay, is the arbitrage opportunity for today. So you can see another one of these which we make. But one thing about this opportunity is that it can go out and it can come in at any time. In my previous video, we are making the video, the arbitrage shift, meaning that the arbitrage is no longer there. So in today's particular video, for those of you who are asking football arbitrage examples, now you can see the examples is right here in your front, that this is the platform you are placing your first leg, and this is the second platform you are placing leg. And what you need to ask is, what is the market type? Then come here if you are using Nexus tools, NexusTrade tools, because this platform is all about tools, AI tools, all right? So you choose this over 2.5. Now, what you have to do is that you have to create this particular account and create one SBet account. Now you have to fund the one SBet account. You have to fund this low VIG account. Now I told you, as we are still teaching, you can see the arbitrage just changed, meaning that the previous arbitrage have changed, right? As you can see, it's right here that the system discovered new opportunities, just to tell you that this platform is really generating real opportunities, not mock opportunities, not fake opportunities, okay? So what you have to do with this platform is you have to compare these prices before you start trading or putting your money in the same place. Either you have to go to the platform where you have created this account. Let's say, for example, we are using Pinnacle and one SBet in this, and it's the same over 2.5. One thing I like about these tools is that it's easier to play 2 legs than 3 legs betting. All right. Now create Pinnacle account and create one SBet account. So if you are in Nigeria, it's somehow difficult for you because I don't think that Pinnacle works in Nigeria unless you have the account already. So what you have to do right now is that this is what the platform is telling you. It said you have to stake one leg with this amount and the other leg with this amount. Now, most important thing here is the risk control, which other platforms cannot tell you. What they do just to scam the arbitrage and give and leave you whatever thing you do with your fund is none of their business. But in NexusTrade, they make sure that they guide you throughout how to escort the trade. Now you can see right here, this area right here, you say this leg is the one whose price is closer to the rest of the market, most like to disappear, so lock it immediately to avoid being left with two legs. All right. So what you have to do is the first one, you go for it. The second one, you go for it because you have to stake over 2.5 and you also have to stake under 2.5, meaning you go to platform A, which is Pinnacle, and stake over 2.5 and go to 1xbet and stake under 2.5, meaning that if this one leg enter and this one loss, you still make profit of, okay? Meaning, but if this one loss and this one win, you still earn this amount. So nothing changes. This will be possible if the market still remain visible, all right? So because arbitrages are not guaranteed because the prices can change as we are still teaching this video. But if you are fast enough, you can make much stage of the price differences. Now that you have known how to use the leg, then come down right here. This place is very, very important. I love this platform. I love this platform so well. So what this platform is telling you that the limit of Pinnacle is 5,000 that you can be able to deposit or stake. And the limit of 1S is limited to 200 USDT. So you know how much to deposit. This platform is trying to, guide you, protect you for losing your fund. So that if since this is 200 is the limit, if you put more than 200, they might lock your fund. All right. So what you have to do is to reduce it. You can start reducing it by using the same platform. So come down right here, come up here. All right. What you have to do in this place that said admin, now put him here and also put in, let's say 100. You want to use 100. I think network might not allow. So it's refreshing anyway. Let's see what happened. So meanwhile, why is refreshing? Because of network. Let's continue. So you can just still use the same platform to do your calculation. When you check the limit of the platform where you are betting, then you can be able to reduce the amount, so you know the actual profit to come. All right. Now, after you go to the platforms and check the platform, if they are the same odd, but if the odd still changes, don't panic because this platform still have a manual way of still verifying that the opportunities are legit. All right. So we come here and read further. All right. If you read further here, this is how to escort the trade, as you can see right here. So the platform have everything organized for you to understand how to place a basic. So now that you have understand this, the next video I will be making is to show you how to make use of the manual odd checker using the same platform. All right. This particular tool is not on Play Store. All right. It's just a new tool that I newly discover. So this platform right now helped me a lot to discover opportunities. As you can see, discovering opportunities in football, in crypto. If I go to crypto, there is a lot of opportunities that this particular app is showing me. So I cannot, go to those areas now, because my next video we are going to be covering all of these topics. Now that you have gotten this idea that football arbitrage truly exists, and there is a platform called NexusTrade that gives these opportunities that you are thinking of. So what you have to do is to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any more educational content like this. So please share this video and give us a thumbs up, and I would love to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.